Alrighty, so welcome back. This is... Oh Lord, I don't know what number this is. I don't know how they're going to come out. I think this is 7, but we'll see. Anyway, this is a piece of ham. Will it laser? Here we go. Well, it will laser, but it looks disgusting. So, there we go. Let's, oh man, it smells terrible. I'll flip it over and crank up our power here and see what it does. Okay, so we'll try her again. This is 330 millimeters a second at 42% power. Oh, so gross. But there we go. Will it laser? Slice of ham. Yep. Alright. I'm going to, no, I don't think I'm eating this one. This one's going out for the birds. Thanks for coming by, guys. Stay tuned for more. I got a bunch of ideas.